Hi, my name is Shivani and I'm the captain of the Hackbots. We're excited that you're joining us today and can't wait to begin. Before we get started, I'd like to share with you a little bit about our team. We're composed of 2 high schools, Farmington High School and North Farmington High School. Each year, we design, build, and program a robot, which we then compete with during the season. We even design our team shirts and buttons. Now back to our STEM kit. Today you'll be building this cool popsicle stick catapult. Let me pass it to my friend Sanjana to talk about the science behind this catapult.
Hi, my name is Sanjana. I'm the programming lead at Hackbots. It's all based on Newton's 3 laws of motion. The first law, an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion. Motion, or lack thereof, will not change unless an outside force acts upon it. The second law, acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass. For example, it requires more force to push a bowling ball than a tennis ball to the same place. The third law, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Forces are found in pairs. When you pulled down the lever on your catapult, potential energy was stored. When you released the lever, the potential energy changed to kinetic energy.
Thank you, Sanjana. Now let me hand it to my friend Jacob to walk you through the steps in building the STEM kit.
Step 1. Stack the 8 popsicle sticks without notches on top of one another. Step 2. Place a rubber band tightly around each end of the popsicle stick stack. Step 3. Take one of the notched popsicle sticks and slide it crosswise under the top stick in the stack. Step 4. Flip your nearly completed catapult over so that the notched stick is now near the bottom of the stack. Step 5. Next, take your remaining notched sticks and place it on top of the stack, parallel with each other notched stick. Step 6. Secure the 2 notched sticks using another rubber band. The notches will help keep them snug. Step 7. Create more leverage by pushing the stack of popsicle sticks towards the rubber bands on the notched stick. Step 8. If you wish, attach the plastic spoon, using the additional rubber bands to the top of your catapult. Step 9. Place a pom-pom at the top of your catapult and launch.
And that's a wrap on the Catapult STEM kit. We hope you had fun building it and thank you for tagging along with us today. We're excited to see you guys in robotics in the future.